Hey y'all, and welcome back to another lovely episode of Deera's Way, where we make food our way, how we want to present it, how we want to eat the food, okay? So before we get into this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe right here. All right, so today I am making something that's pretty convenient, something that you can eat, you know, kind of like grab and go or whatever, like on the go, of course, that's what I meant to say. Today I am making a salad. I'm making a chicken salad to be exact. And I just decided to do this because I'm like, you know what? I need more vegetables in my diet. I really do. So why not just make a chicken salad? Why not just ease my way into it? You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to go cold turkey and just start eating greens. And now I'm missing eating chicken or something like that. So I'm like, you know what? Let me just make me a chicken salad. That way I can have it, you know, balanced, okay? All right, so let me start off, of course, by showing y'all what I will be using for my salad. We got our greens right here, our artisan lettuce right here. Got this from Aldi, and they look pretty, look clean, whatever. I need to clean them. Make sure you clean your greens, because even if it say like pre-washed or something like that, still clean it, because you never know. Okay, second up, we said I was making chicken salad, right? Okay, so I've already made my chicken. So I baked my chicken right here. I'll hold it up. Ooh. Bake my chicken. So this is the chicken I'll be using, and I am going to chop it up, of course, so it can fit inside my lovely salad. Okay, next I will be using an avocado, of course, to go on top. And then I am going to be using, let me get this, some Parmesan cheese. Then for the dressing, I'm going to be using some sweet onion sauce. And then I'm just going to top it off with some other stuff. All right, y'all, so let me not keep y'all long. Let's get started, and here we go. Okay, so like I said, we are going to start off by washing our greens right here. And of course, I got this lovely bowl, my salad bowl, that they can go in after I'm done washing them. And they look like this. This is how it looks. Nothing spectacular, it's small, so of course they don't come chopped up, so I have to chop it myself. But anyway, let me get started on washing these.
Cash from you, baby. You just have over me. 'Cause I'm not totally free. I can't tell you everything that's going on, baby. There's a few things in my past that should not be explained. I'm asking you, baby, be with me for a little while. Please hush. No questions asked. Lay back and relax, girl. Now take off the shoes. Lift up your head. This weekend now, baby. Give it your place to be.
Okay, so here is our lovely bowl of greens right here. And next we are gonna go ahead and chop them up. Okay, so we got our lovely greens all washed, and they look so pretty. I like the different colors. I like when it's like green and then like dark purple and you know, you get a variety. Okay, so I cleaned them off. Now I'm gonna like dry them off too, because they're soaked in, like, I don't want like a wet salad, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and like dry these off, and then I'm gonna chop them up, because if I start chopping them up now and then they're soaked, it's not gonna make any sense, and then my salad is gonna just be really damp and wet, and it makes no sense because I need to put the dressing on there too, and the dressing is gonna make it wet. But anyway, y'all get it. Okay, so I'm gonna dry these off, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping them up. All right, y'all, we got our lovely greens right here that we are about to start chopping up. I just decided to try to dry them a little bit afterward, like after I start cutting them. Maybe that'll make a bit of a difference. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started.
See, baby, I know you done had your share of girls. I am more than confident you won't ever have to search these streets for affection. I got you. 1, 2, 3. What kind of girl you like? I know my looks can be deceiving. Tell me, am I your type? My main goal is to please you. What's on the schedule tonight? Not the reason you'll be treated. I hope you have an appetite. So tell me, will you come and spend the night? My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? Whoa. My love is like, whoa. My kiss is like, whoa. My touch is like, whoa. My sex is like, whoa. My ass is like, whoa. My body's like, whoa. And you're kissing it, so what you think of it? When will you come through? Come through, 'cause I'll be waiting up right here. Can you bring some Belvedere? Baby, won't you bring so we can pop the cork and cheers? Please have.
Okay, so our greens are dry. I have to go through it twice with some paper towel, but that's all right. That is all right. So next up, I'm gonna go ahead and start chopping the chicken up. Okay, so here is the lovely chicken that I took off the bone. Now I'm just about to start cutting it. I don't know where to start sometimes, but all right, we're gonna get through this. We're gonna get through it.
Please hush. No questions asked. Lay back and relax, girl. Now take off the shoes. Let the street have it. This we're here now, baby. Giving you a piece of me you can have. You can have a piece of my love. It's waiting for you. Girl, it's true. You can have a piece of my love. You can have a piece of my love. It's waiting for you. Girl, it's true. I know that this is wrong, but the feeling's so strong. Wish this could last forever, but it wouldn't be the same. Tell me who would be to blame if we was to hurt all over again. Please hush. No questions asked.
Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm done chopping up the chicken, and it took me a minute. I struggled. I was trying to rip it apart and do it every which way, whatever. But anyway, next I am going to add the sauce to the chicken, because I said we were doing dressing, but I was like, you know what? Let me just add the sauce on the chicken, and then it's gonna all come together. It's gonna all come together. So that's what I'm doing up next. Okay, so this is the amount of chicken that I'm gonna be using for my salad, and I'm gonna put some honey hot barbecue sauce in here, just a little bit for color. And then I'm gonna go in with my sweet onion sauce. I love this. I love how this tastes on sandwiches. And I saw this at the store. I was like, I have to get it. I have to get it. So there's that, and of course, mix it up. Mix it up. And if you feel like you didn't put enough, put some more on there, because it's your food, you're eating it. You're not sharing it with anybody else unless you are. Just ask their preferences. But anyway, simple and easy, just like that. Just like that. Just. Okay, that's it. That's it. We done. All right, so let's move on to the next step. All right, it's time to cut open our lovely avocado. And y'all had to put this towel down because my cutting board be slipping away from me. It be slipping away from me. Now I can buy another cutting board, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Ooh, that looks pretty. Looks pretty. All right, I'm just about to scoop it out. This one was partially ready. I got this at the store. Of course I got it at the store and get it from the market. But I always like to feel around and see like which one is soft, which one is hard. Of course you can tell by like the color. So if it's like light green, that means it's not ready yet. It's not ready to be cut open or anything like that. But I'm like, I'm gonna use this one today. So I might as well get one that's dark. You know, the blacker the berry, the sweeter the juice. Or the darker the avocado, the, I don't know. I was trying to make something up. But yeah. So yeah, this one's ready, I guess. It's soft enough. It's not like hard or anything like that. As long as you can like scoop around the sides and get what you need up out of there, you should be all right. Okay, bam, there you go. There you go. I'm just about to cut them open. Yeah. They're ready, they're ready. I'm just gonna use one for my salad. And then the other one, I don't know. I might just eat it whole by itself. But I'm just gonna save the other one. So there it is. Just cut it like that and let it, you know, fan out like a deck of cards. So cute, so cute. Okay, now it's time to build our lovely salad. We got our greens right here. Of course, that's gonna be the base. And the rest of them, I just put in the refrigerator. I have this bowl, of course, that has like a lid on it. And it works, it works, it works like that. All right, we have our greens. And next, we are going to, actually, we have our greens right here, and we're just going to use the sweet onion to like go over it, because maybe that won't be enough for the chicken, like flavoring it and stuff. So we have that, and we are going to do our chicken. Ooh. And I feel like that's enough for me. If you're like somebody who wants like a chicken heavy salad or something like that, go ahead and do it. All right. And I'm gonna use my corn that I used the other day for my bowl that I made. Let's use this spoon. I'm just gonna use like a little bit. Just a little bit. I was trying to like portion it around, but it still looks pretty. It still gives it like some color and stuff. So there's that. Close that up. And then we are going to do our avocado. Actually, no. we're gonna do our cheese. We're gonna do our cheese. Now, I'm using the Parmesan cheese, the, what is it? The shaved Parmesan cheese. Just to put it on there like that. Just a little bit, not too much. Again, however much you wanna add. It's totally up to you. Last but not least, we got our avocado over here that we sliced up. Ooh, I was trying to keep it portioned like, you know. But that turned out well. That turned out well. It did not disappoint at all. Let's put that on the side. Yeah. And y'all, I'm trying to utilize these microgreens, so here we go. Here we go. Let's put those on the side too. I feel like something needs to go right there. I feel like it does. Maybe I should just scoop the avocado over. I don't know. But yeah, I'm just trying to utilize them. I don't want to put it like all over the salad because then it's gonna start looking funny. It's gonna start looking funny. But yeah, there's our salad. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Okay. All right. Y'all, I be in here doing stuff. I really be in the kitchen. I really be in the kitchen. You know, you know. Okay, y'all, we are done. We are finished. We are complete with our salad. And this is how it turned out. So y'all have already seen like a portion of it, of course, throughout the video. But yeah, look at it, look at it, look at it. I don't know, I just be so happy like when I make food and it turns out like really pretty. Now I would of course, you know, try to slant it down so y'all can like see more, but I don't want it to fall out the bowl. I don't want it to fall out the bowl. Let me try right here. Maybe if I put my hand right there and if it starts sliding, I don't know. All right, so now it's time for our awkward thumbnail pause that we usually do towards the end of the video, at the end of the video. Of course, why am I so close? I don't know. Doesn't matter. All right, run to, let's get a good 1, 2, 3. All right, this side. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Y'all, I did so good. I really did. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I hope you guys take the time to make the same salad that I did. Of course, you can create it however you want to create it because it is your food, how you want to present it, how you want to eat it, all that good stuff. I'm about to smash this salad. I really am because I'm hungry and I've just been eating snacks all day and I haven't had no real food. So I was like, you know what, when I cook or when I make some food when I get home, I'm gonna record it and bring it to y'all here, okay? All right, so once again, thank you for joining me on Deera's Way, where we make food our way, how we wanna present it, all that good stuff. I hope you guys have a lovely week. I hope all good things happen. I hope the universe is aligned with all of your goals and what you want to achieve. Yeah, that's all I have. Be very optimistic, be very positive in what you have coming in the future. All that good stuff. All right, y'all, once again, I'm rambling. Thank y'all for joining me and I will see y'all next time. Bye.